Linux Mint just published its June newsletter, and buried in the list of updates is a change that a lot of Cinnamon users have been waiting for years. Wayland is no longer labeled experimental. Now, if you're not deep into the Linux world, let me quickly explain why this is actually a big deal. For a long time, Linux desktops have relied on something called X11, a display server technology that's been around since the 1980s. It's old, it's reliable, and it works. But it wasn't really built with modern hardware in mind. Things like high refresh rate monitors, mixed DPI setups, smooth animations, and tighter security all push X11 to its limits. That's where Wayland comes in. Wayland is the modern replacement designed from the ground up to handle today's displays and today's security expectations. Most major desktop environments have been slowly transitioning toward it. GNOME made the jump a while back, KDE Plasma followed, and now Cinnamon, the desktop environment behind Linux Mint, is catching up too. Here's the thing though, Cinnamon has actually had a Wayland session available for a while now. You could switch to it if you wanted to, but it always came with a warning label. It was marked experimental, which is basically the developers telling you this might work great or it might break in weird ways, so don't rely on it for daily use. That warning label is officially coming off. In the newsletter, the Linux Mint team explained exactly why they feel confident making this move. They said, and I'm quoting directly here, "We worked really hard on Wayland and we got to the point where it feels solid and the experience is almost on par with X11. Think about how significant that statement actually is. X11 has had literally decades to mature. Wayland, by comparison, is still relatively young in the grand scheme of Linux history. For the Mint developers to say the experience is now almost on par with X11 means they've closed a gap that used to be pretty noticeable. Things like screen tearing, application compatibility, multi-monitor handling, and general day-to-day stability. And it's not just marketing language either. The newsletter states plainly that starting with the next version of Cinnamon, both X11 and Wayland will be fully supported. Not one as the real option and the other as a backup, both side by side as equally valid choices for users. So what does this actually mean for you if you're running Linux Mint or thinking about switching to it? If you've been sticking with X11 purely because Wayland felt too risky or unfinished, that reasoning is starting to disappear. Wayland brings real practical benefits to the table. It handles multiple monitors with different refresh rates far more gracefully. Fractional scaling, which matters a lot if you're using a high-resolution laptop screen, is noticeably smoother. And under the hood, Wayland's architecture is considered more secure since applications have much more limited access to what's happening on other parts of your screen, unlike X11 where apps can technically snoop on each other. That said, nobody's forcing your hand here. X11 isn't being deprecated or pushed aside. If you depend on specific tools, extensions, or workflows that only work properly under X11, which is still fairly common, especially for things like certain screen recording tools, remote desktop software, or older applications, you can keep using it without losing support or being treated as a second-class citizen. What makes this announcement worth paying attention to is really about who's making it. Linux Mint has built its entire reputation on being the cautious, stability-first alternative in the Linux world. This is a project that intentionally avoids jumping on new technology just because it's trendy. They wait, they test, they only ship something as ready when it's actually ready. So when the Mint team says Wayland has reached a point where it's no longer experimental, that's not hype. That's a team known for being conservative, finally giving it their stamp of approval. That's the Wayland story from this month's Linux Mint newsletter. A small label change on the surface, but underneath it, it represents years of development work finally reaching a point of real maturity.